Biasana mwancho morigeria bweta TV go kwarigania ndonsia sogo tobwate korwa anene mono imene isiko yorongorwa gusi abo litanga nigo sa umagi antwanya ko batogo twale nkwana no mweshimwa morara kebaso gakwanira mangana mange lakini kurwelio matuka makaetira mangana na mange ndanyara ko bakago kolekana na kieko twanyara ko batoko morigie marago ya lero gukwanira na koligereria usanyara ko bakago toera buna ninki kigekenya ko bakego kolekana what exactly has changed because even to be a kolekana in a very short period of time na onyara ko bakago wancha go chagaiga iligo sanga munaintwe anene mono koligereria siasa chie bunge ya Borabu county ya Nyamira onye siasa chia Kenya lakini lero nigo toko focus sana bado ase constituency ile nyara ko baga koralia buna niga guchikunyara ko baga kolia kirokyo bojumbe achiko totego so change bado ko ba acting because a lot has happened we say is born aspiring akini no alegaiga karonko mwaligania to kwani to chake masemo ase maragoba ya bono karibu sana mweshi
mbia mano
mbiyori ko twatikane
mbiyande kabisa to gwakira nyasaye mbia mano nero kuroba moyo
yes
nande nero gotwachi semi chokora abantu baito boronge
yes
elinde tunyare wonjoreri oborai bwaito ntobase gotwara oborwai bwobo kurumi gose bwobo jambasi obo kolika chiguni tonyora abarai abayalende gusiya ito
yes
ne tunyare gusuka motwe
the last time I hosted you kwalinga in a very nice suit lero watch of course you are very smart but you are in red and I've seen you cover in red for some period of time
na so ekiama ya Jubilee Party officially ekiama ya Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i na ndeke kioge gochikobanga na kiama kolike kirogo kiobo president bwense na kirokyo asinge nchunje no mochumbo ye na ndere mbora bwakurwa na ndeno mwake kurobora bu constituency oika mosire na nde mosume motweli na nyare koba president yetu ya Kenya igoti nkoli kibo chumbe na kiama kingao kandige obochumbo obune kiama ge presidential candidate Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i because I'm his member of parliament I should be the last one to go to any other party yes
ontrabara bolinge karwa so Jubilee of course ntwara ali go kwaliga nigo you gave out your speech and then abantu mbaroro apart from you and mujumbe Patrick Osera abantu mbaroro baraga niko ligekero geke ande batake koligi through mataboni abantu abange gusiba kwebeka nganche Matiang'i go support because without that na bora nyore hard time even other constituencies but as a constituency yao patake kuboli Jubilee so does it mean you are going for nominations?
Dr. Fred Matiang'i is a very fair leader instruction ya etabara ibonsi kero montage nda kwanira abantu enkerenga kira ike tokole nominations oyo konyole ticket nero koewa ande mara mange no ne kero twatwa no ne chiba election iganchite go consult abantu asenge nchabantu nabo ba morangeretie abe presidential candidate in fact Dr. Fred Matiang'i nere bweka presidential candidate ya Kenya orangereti kuna abantu abande eba roche maybe gose nibo ya isanire gose miaka ya isanire gose kike isanire bagateba batakete gotene nobo president lakini Matiang'i ere igarangereti kuna aba Kenya abo bara baba bagusi anyare kobe president yaito igona nchite sana go consult abantu no ene kero atara ena ne ticket gose batara kora nomination anchite go consult with abananchi ba kawaida pono tigakiro moraya manyenga there will be free and fair nominations ime Jubilee no embalito mo igetange ntomanyete nga toko bangenera kinto okolera abante gasi asenge ncho mwisho wa siku abantu balina boka bara amwenga oyo na isaino ko bomo chumbe gosoyo taisaini igo I want to give an encouragement yase monomona saba sai bali batete gotegema ebirogo byobo MCA obo chumbe pakobo governor mbaba se kobo nga Jubilee maybe already airo monte ticket oso montonaro gocha nichibese chinyinge aye Dr. Fred Matiang'i bono ngabono rinde anyole ticket Dr. Fred Matiang'i hates corruption more than God hates Satan ange tobo kurumi kubabona nyasa ange te Satan lakini there is going to be very straightforward in chiranto bago chikonyo ticket chiria because naende omonto abase koegwa ticket goetera ase njia ya mukato gose obokurumi gagochikogwa naende gakogwa igo rende Dr. Fred Matiang'i taranyora bachumbe baisaini bono oroche takoba mochumbe takoba president atabwati bachumbe baisaini that's why it's very important abantu bali bari popular bokana bakoegwa ticket and I'm working very hard to ensure nga inche nkobe candidate ya Jubilee atakayepeperusha bendera ndani ya constituency yake Rais Dr. Fred Matiang'i Borabu constituency.
Mheshimiwa tutara kwa constituency ya baada ya Kiama briefly tuarira abantu bako reactions about the presidency ya Matiang'i kurwa Jubilee. Batanga Jubilee is not our charm, especially abagosi n'aba Kenya bandenga Matiang'i could have come up with on his party una watch then inject of course whatever you've shelved it for now. What could be your reaction to that? Is it okay for him kobe deputy party leader kama ya Jubilee kitoma ite kiara ile before?
Omanyete agento mbanete nko inyori. No ni gagusi obole momboro kogora kwabo omogori. No bole mombole bwechisokoro kulierwa omwando. Kwa gubona inheritance. Abantu tigabamenyenga Jubilee party ya President Uhuru Kenyatta. President Uhuru Kenyatta ne yaro ruseti Matiang'i koru osomia university buna lecturer. Akamorusi roche kobo mwalimu tabeti mojumbe tabeti senator akamoira straight pake cabinet. Asale only second to the president. Akamobeke cabinet secretary ICT. Aga kolega siengi ya ICT ebikone no ne internet yetu batera very fast. Infrastructure ya internet ya 5G ya begetwenga kia Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Idea yoroche yogotwara chi ICT hub every ward inda abana basome chitarakili chi computer inde banyare gokora technological advancement into being Dr. Fred Matiang'i oriented. In fact, most of what we are enjoying in terms of technology no in clarity ye TV abantu bana batorochega clarity Dr. Fred Matiang'i atraso kiroge TV ya ngomo chere
analog
lakini akeracha clarity otoroche oroche red oroche blue oroche clarity ngio orara base korra paka gatono igetono kerago sase na machiku yara that is Dr. Fred Matiang'i's work.
Yes.
Colleague si Ministry of Education, colleague si Ministry of Interior kwa chibuna Kenya engento are very safe. Bono Uhuru Kenyatta oyo na amineti Dr. Fred Matiang'i sana. Akamakora paka akaba umukubwa wa aba waziri bon spear cabinet akababu ne prime minister Lili Ruto achagete ko gochanda Uhuru Kenyatta abwate montoko mokonya kasi kata Matiang'i nchu akamobeka akaba in charge of the whole cabinet igo ekiame kigya Jubilee president Uhuru olio rusiti Matiang'i kobo mwalimu akamokoro mo waziri pake prime minister ya Kenya nera moliere to mwando nga to chikoligie kiama nkerembwata nekembwate tayari kebwate chiobisi Kenya ngima 47 counties hasta yobisi ya Jubilee etali
someone was arguing nga Jubilee like kiama Kenya historically nkianya kora kabere
ekiameke tayari kebwate headquarter ekiameke tayari kebwata abajumbe bare elected bare bunge already batali bake ekiameke already nkebwate abakori emeremo keronga netio mwaki ebicha ekeroga netio monto koire video yawe linde enda se TV ekeroga netio abantu bago konya kobanga abageni oyaganye lindororo yo gukora koroyo ekiamo already has established structure bono ajateo Dr. Fred Matiang'i arego chikoligie kiame kingao yeto irwe kiama ne olengo mo president omoliere iro mwandonga na koere irie nyimbo gendereria monto tabase kokungaina nga kiama nkianya kogamba kabiri none byame bibia gambire bimde byabo imbiri rebranded kroke ne bago chenchi erieta gosichikala yacha nenjire ngao ne candidate ngao kera chikura umonto kora ense tali kiama tari kiama gekora ense ya Kenya ne individual igaba ntombanya nya kolenge mangana mange stories chama ni chama kama Dr. Fred Matiang'i amekubali kwamba chama ni Jubilee end of the story he's our boss he's our leader he's our presidential candidate tumulizi maswali mingi olierero mwanda oerire nyimbo tigata alere nyimbe ibuna bono Moses ya ereti nyimbo ya Yarod bas.
Finally, people say the ones that I've interacted with, some have interviewed them, but actually including Mheshimiwa Silvana Sosoro gave a press as office ya Nairobi ga kwana no Mulikito Josephat Muracha agateba nga e problem wero enene nturaika muno mu standard yo kubuliwo president right away from our systems choko work abantu na whatever obwato omuntu okoligereria no bwato omuntu okwaligania abage no muntu okobekere sound system adanga ena botokuba na botokora Kenya bunaba gusi. That is what he said, but hatujafika that kiwango toleba ngake. That's what Osoro said, and the rest of the leaders tuwakwane na
Osoro kemanyi ekente ketangani abone tamanyi onyama ene pio bwata advice yengi yani abwata ushauri obere chief advisor nkiatara advice Ruto ara enze borog, because they are one of the reasons why William Ruto is failing. William Ruto angatangiri na bakenya bonsi ipi onyo Osoro bale komo advice boronge bona advice ye yata etegotoa nere ibago chaba Ruto ba mosiria advice yobokora advice yokolendenda eromete nenda alendete talintu agotema gokonya enda ya yalendete. This is what I can say. Abagusi are ripe for the presidency of country. Why? I'll give you the reasons. Mbanto kiba so mete more than any other community in this republic. No matter Abagusi, we are leading in literacy levels.
In Kenya?
Yes. We are one of the most educated communities in Kenya. Not one of the most. We are the most educated community in Kenya. Goko no enechi school echire national schools. No enda alliance. Geno lige list ya top 10. Mbana kibago tangana. Abagusi gena mangu. Abagusi gena maseno school. Abagusi inchomonyene. I was number 1 in my district tekena akorete KCP 2009. Number 5 in Nyanza province. And number 23 in the Republic of Kenya. Kabira Kid. Omogusi. Yes? All the great names Yoroche, Babo Maraga, everything, they are sons of Kisiland. Tore extremely successful. Genda America, genda UK, genda Australia. Abagusi bara bange paka baro sirie town ye kurukukeroka. Paka babuate mama mbogo ko baoneliri nagu. Inagulita likuwa manselia. Liko bekwe ndege kurwa lia iko bantu baliri nagu. Abagusi, we are number 2 in payment of taxes.
In Kenya?
In Kenya. We are only number 2 as Omoikoyo. We are number 2 as a payment of taxes. Tobuate very big companies, very big businesses. Osoro, eroma eta arocha Abagusi bale kisi na Nyamira yoka. What Osoro doesn't know is that Abagusi bale gusi na Nyamira are less than Abagusi bale isko. Abagusi bale isko ya Abagusi they are more. Oenda obara Abagusi bale Kitale, Abagusi bale Molo, Abagusi bale Nairobi gochakera Dagoretti paka Kasarani, paka Ruai paka Joska, ocho bara Abagusi bale Mombasa, oba no metenga nagenda Tana River, Hola, Garsen, Northeastern. Ngakwani uneke gusinga Machigotama. They are there. They are doing matatu business. Babuate the biggest hardwares, the biggest shops. We are number 2 in payment of taxes. Igekeroko igunga Kenya ya sangere rieba ango 2 trillion. Omanye almost 1 trillion Abagusi baruete. We are the billionaires of this country. Abantaba tenengu pi after Abaikoyo. Mbantoki. It's Abagusi. Mbantoki babuate chimantatu Jones Pichiko and Dagore ne Chichiko and Kasarani. Mbantoki bare the biggest investors as banks. We are the ones who are even supporting SACCOs. Bono igonye nobo tenengu nto isaini. Onye numbers. Usora manyenga we are more outside Kisii more than we are in Kisii.
Including diaspora.
And including diaspora. Number 3, onye nobo ngaini. Gakinya saga torolera maavera. We are the most brilliant. Aba iskebo spikenye yengi moba siko enda Meru o endebo ikoyo ebatete ko nyomo no mogusi. Yes. Wono buna bali yani I'm telling you, o ende no engo Chikakamega ga Bungoma. Yani wanaomba wapate Mkisii. Paka naroro yonde gakobeke status ya WhatsApp gagotebanga musinganganie kila mtu atapata Mkisii wake. Omoikoyo moisikoli kankaroro.
Hakuna haraka.
Batu anchete tolieki nieki ya bami ntokoragiro bokima tole strong. Toanchete tomanyete buna togwancho monto buna tokolendo monto. Abagusi obasikoligere chimbo cheto nane ntwanchite bokurumi. All the leaders bali batemire kurwani obokurumi Kenya, you investigate them very well, you'll find that nabagusi kero chikura chio cheibetwe omonto okanete chikura chio Supreme Court maraga omogusi ekero Dr. Fred Matiang'i aringi the Ministry of Education agakana oboibi bwa matem agatebanga there is no way moko ngaina abana ngabetire asoko bagolera matem ngomonto enda oira go 50,000 ogorero mwana masakara umwana okwero botuko bogakia oetonyora grade A atabende konyora grade A oso university ochikonyonya soro sinyugokora agatebanga tetora ni discipline asama so maito abana baitu banyo grade elia deserve it elinonya gakoenda kobe carpenter muna morara kebaso abe the best carpenter in Africa and around the world because usidarau kazi ni kazi nchiti ndio mo carpenter toro chiega singo kora munerengia. So that's what I'm telling you. Abagusinto isaine in terms of how industrious we are, how bright we are, how knowledgeable we are, how many we are ripe for the presidency of Kenya. Na ande gento kiagata tu. Osoro ke manya kagetenga abantu bagocha gwakera Matiang'i kuraite nabagusiboka. He's wrong. Mimi nilikuwa Bungoma Misiku na Itiri. Nilikuwa Kwale County, okay? Nikaenda paka mahali inaitwa Lungalunga Msambweni. Nikatoka Lungalunga nikakuja Msambweni, nimeenda paka Northeastern, nimeenda Hola, nimeenda Garsen. Kila wakati nikienda kule, hata nilifika kule Moyale Obu Sololo. Huwa nauliza watu, poboli tuke liunoche no ene kwa tene petrol station yego se kwachire ko gora litoke o kanyenjara. Koboli n'abantu nga na Matiang'i munamuonaje? Abantu bantebinga yaani haki ya Mungu. Kenya is looking for a no-nonsense president. Kenya is looking for a performer. And if there is a performer in this republic, ora sokia masakarakero montaira nema egate benga yenyewe wewe kazi unajua. Is Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Igo, people are ready to vote for him without looking at his tribe.
That's okay. Does he have now the political muscles? Because Osoro argues...
Which muscles? Dr. Fred Matiang'i has more muscles than Osoro.
He argues that...
Dr. Fred Matiang'i physical.
They argue
that... Abuato Osoro iga. Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Abase ko buato Osoro iga. Gesa arabsko yunga nenchogo yamo buat. Akumolinga ni muna gasakara mu rutego chia. Umewai muona? Umepatana naye?
Of course.
Ekerago teneno no gotenena guoka ngakyo kororai. Abantu bakobo no nechi body gachi anchi manyitinga kichiko molenda. Because this guy is so strong and so huge. Igone maso kikwale ko kwa political maso.
No, like moving around the country talking to the people, of course, as much as bamuanchite kumbera n'abantu advisors.
Do you need muscle to move around the country? Saa hizi ntarache interview 1 hour ago.
Yes.
Na Arura Ahero.
Yes.
Ahero etwabwate rally ororo. That's why I endorsed Dr. Fred Matiang'i to be the president of this republic. Iga. Aso ase no ene ingie gweta, there was no space. Ase ingie gweta. There was no space. Stand still. Na ande bantu mbabwa taraka. Na ande bamukani to baskwayera kwana ngora tutaite koyunga ki agenda kyobwate for our republic because oliere oli otoro siri. Oli one term. Ana tutaite koyunga turakoegenteke nande bali nabagere. But they are willing to listen and say what is this person going to do for us? Because kero monta alende te interest chiae abantu baero nabalemi be rice ibatete koigunga utaendelea kuachilia watu walete mchele kutoka Pakistani ama utafunga hiyo soko ya Pakistan ili wakulima wa Ahero waweze kuuza mchele. Alitari round the country twaingi. Okay, this week 3 days ago we were in Kirinyaga, mahali inaitwa Kutus.
Yes.
To open a Jubilee office. Kulikuwa na Wakikuyu wamejaa hivi paka nje ya tent, hakukuwa na space. Watu walisimama paka kwa jua. Omogazoro retese lakini batene ni very patient. Panga nyiteko what Dr. Fred Matiang'i wants to say. Nane mbaga nyetibese atase erabanto. Erene message yakoni. That if you give me an opportunity to be your president, I'll do A, B, C, D with military precision and absolute excellence. Alitari round the country ali Kirinyaga. Bono kemanyo Osoro ero nyago ikakirinyaga. Tanyago ikakirinyaga Osoro tamaitinchele koenda Kirinyaga. Iga South Mugiran otira Nairobi. South Mugiran otira Nairobi. I want to assure Kemanyo Osoro. The day Dr. Fred Matiang'i announces his candidature officially for the president, akoba makaratasi IBC. Kisii will be a no-go zone. He will not even campaign. Yaani atapelekwa nyumbani style hajaifikiria. It will be mad here. Omontago soete begali otebanga kaki. Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Aye, umongno tindia otiki korugoro pakansi. Igobone cheche ibanya gokora, they are just joking. Now let me tell you, some of these leaders wuna kemanyosoro umaite bare what I can call hostages of corruption. Mateka wa ufisadi. Eba ko enda ba register chi company. Ba enda seruto. Oba achi contract chi para. Chi contract cho waka achi dam. Ba korobo kurumi. Ninde ba guchi contract cho supply fertilizer. Ba korobo kurumiga. Una fertilizer ya ago changanyo nini. Wengine wao wanafanya hizo contract ni wabunge. Mna kemanyosoro. Ndio maana wako na pesa mingi. Na kiokora baonya ko seraba ntomi 2000 nini chibesi ya corruption. Bono ekero ba kolengera lingamba pingeruto ebago chiko kwananga 1 atara kwananga tam basiko kwana 1 tam ekera kwananga 1 atara kwana tam EACC egocha mlango yake mama tebinga habari bwana Osoro are you Silvanus yeah tukua tunataka kama uko na dakika mbili tupitie faili yako iko mambo hapa muntu tatokanye kocha akakonywa ama lioga pressure ama tebinga bwana Osoro sasa sisi ni afisa kutoka EACC iko hii nyumba ulinunua Mombasa hii nyumba ulinunua milioni 200 mshahara yako kama mbunge ni milioni 1 haujakaa miezi 200 kwa bunge ulitoa wapi hii pesa okay gauchikoliga uchi account chia ni chiobo kurumi pressure ya minyokase president yote banga mheshimiwa kama nimekukosea na kuomba tafadhali unisamee nobona asibire nyororo engali timbo lisibire no chekero twenga abana ya matimbo alitu alego sibeusi angali timbo lisibire usi na boli go fly lakini mbaya ndivyo swetania ali because ya calling us back so forgive him for the statement he's making yogo pingo mwana itomo gusio teneniro ready kobe president getanya koba since 2002 muabera sinchale ni mateka wa ufisadi.
I want us to talk about your constituency, but before that, the final question about presidency. Now, the big question is, because we understand is in the United Opposition PAC.
Yes.
Will he get the go-ahead Yokowe flag bearer? Because that is the worry of the rest of the Kenyans.
I don't know what the plan is inside the United Opposition. It's Dr. Fred Matiang'i who sits in those meetings. He's the one who knows what's going on there. So I'll give you my personal opinion.
Yes.
Opinion ya nene. Kunyeshe kuzinyeshe chikoge nchikoga bokimbokia bomise mbomisa ekigeko bakebe Dr. Fred Matiang'i will be on the ballot for president.
Whether or not
he will be on the ballot 100%. Wamupatie wasimupatie atakuwa kwa debe. There's no negotiation. Hakuna mtu anaendea kiti ndogo. Kama kuna mtu anafikiria hatutoshi angoje kuhesabu kura zetu huko.
Ukisema there is no negotiation inamaanisha whether or not that means he has on na wate nchire yawe kwa manyana chiko maneuver through.
I don't know. I don't want to speak for him.
But you said
my opinion is liwe liwalo. Akue kwa debe.
Okay.
And mimi pamoja na wengine wanaowania ujumbe na viongozi wengine wa Kisii. We will talk to him and we'll tell him Your Excellency the President. Usiposimama kwa gechi Yomogusi. Because Yomogusi wants you at the ballot. End of story. Mambo ingine siku za kubebea watu mikoba iliisha. Inga kitu wakabogole iri abantu chi handbag ya era. Bono na intu tobogole liwe handbag. So that's what I'm saying. Liwe liwalo. We have to ensure that Dr. Fred Matiang'i is on the ballot for President of the Republic of Kenya because I am 100% sure akikuwa kwa debe United Opposition ama our want hakuna mtu atamshinda. He will be president for only one reason. Mood of the country. Abantu inchira baigwete Kenya yengima. They are looking for a president who can perform. Simple. Abantu abakoro kurumi ba mess up the economy so much. Kenyans are just looking for somebody who can perform. They are not looking at tribe. and they don't care. Igo no nyomonto karenge tinga o Dr. Fred Matiang'i tari moiko ta konyo echi aba iko, you don't know how Kikuyus are feeling. Aba iko, they are the ones who have their businesses have been most affected. Matiang'i aba promised tunga he will fix agriculture in Mount Kenya. Obole mibotu ale faida, and he will ensure their businesses are prospering. Economy ego kebara osibes chiabo. Ako mobekere kura pake yo mali. Igo, my opinion, and this is not his opinion, I don't speak on his behalf. He has people that speak for, he can speak for himself or his office. My personal opinion, buno morai, na nebuno mochumbo ye, is that liwe liwalo awe kwa debe.
Tell me something. A file ni yake what?
A file ni ya CDF ya Borabu constituency. File ni ya CDF ya Borabu constituency.
Wako atakure constituency?
Yeah. Kurwa si ofisi ya serikali. Inkoenda ofisi mbalimbali ngo collect.
They give you the details of what?
Yeah, yabona tindio motukibwa mangana lende na ale nko egwo ta egwe. Lakini no motukinde. Gonyo ndega tete motukera mangana keroke na bara baskondige lakini no motukinde ni manyete ko manya mangana. Bona for example, I know the allocations.
So this is a file before you even tell us the allocations. Ile file ya Borabu.
Borabu yoka.
Ego contain ki.
Contain ti report yenjera chibese chigo tume ku Borabu constituency. Chi company chigo kore biashara Borabu constituency ne nchiri chinande ne chiango. Chizukuru chiae tu chibese chia vitu mbalimbali nchiri chief office chia tomero chibesa Borabu office. Yani ngakiba tumie tebes mwaka ne tu allowance. Sitting allowance yomo committee member CDF. Irenga akanetwe. Irenga batumie tasa maguta yegari. Irenga bago tumia kolia mandasi ya office. Irenga bago teba batumiete ase FAR. Yoko na Nairobi na Koirana. Irenga bago teba baina nete chibasari. Buna bago teba baina nete 40 million chibasari. Ngoma nyatole. Lakini rende ana mangano si pi aborabu.
Ase bintu byonse birema.
Borabu constituency.
Ase bintu byonse birema Mheshimiwa Morara. Is there anything kere positive?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Okay, nimbwate ya maya.
Ya Borabu bado.
Ya. Ya maya de Borabu yo. Maya ta ya nyokore kano gwetera somo jumbe. Lakini nimbwate ya maya aya Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Ega kore in the Republic of Kenya. Ine ya maya era liega alime. Na imokia ne muamu. Muamu emineti egesunte. Emineti obobe. Yani emineti danger. In short emineti amabe.
We may not go through everything kerema.
Of course we may
but,
not.
But omuntu mo gusio koligred because abagusia vange sana ba okubwatia because bagochikumanya briefly nganki kerema. Some have seen it when you're doing it on English or Swahili version of it. But to tebi ngobono inkimo ntobora bwatakere komanya koruma.
Gente que tanga ni monto Borabu constituency amanyenga kero mwaka nkonyora tore 160 million kwetera CDF kwanza.
Ochase constituency.
Ochase constituency. Around,
every year.
150 to 164 million. Ego tegemea no mwaka. So around 150 to 164 million nkonyora tore Borabu constituency every year. Chigo cha sobisi yo mochumbe. Wamanye nkonyora tore chibesa chikoro kuchia road maintenance levy. Kero wachire petrol station kwa golira maguta aka taxi nkarogo cha wa kwabu abantu bechi pikipiki wose taxi bamanyanga aka taxi nkare kero wa kanira maguta ali petrol station gakwenda se serikali ko maintain chipara. Borabu ntwa etwe 19 million yo maintain chipara gete. Gento kende ngoche toetwa egwa location ni chipara chibente kwa gachu cha Kenya Rural Roads Authority. Chibente ko bekwerami.
Kura.
Igore nento bwata location ego cha Borabu na account ya ito ya Nyamira ngonyorere 6 billion kero mwaka na 6 billion yeyo nkoru bale chi Borabu lakini echinjiri gocha service yo mojumbe chikurukura service yo mogabana chiko kolega si Borabu
directly
aseke eke focus etia sobo chumbe 164 million yelitoko nyoka kero mwaka bamanye ngalende iga se file ebunambwate iga omwaka oyetete already chi million isato chi ateta se committee expenses
kia tumegete
committee expenses iminetiga aba committee member ba CDF committee eli ya CDF ego ikaranse ko bagachi basari ego ko bagachi project ya CDF sitting allowance yabo yani kero ba ikaransire ege ikaro ebe akanete na plus chae na mandasi no we train eba tumiete chi milioni 3
in one sitting
in 1 year.
In 1 year. Kwa nini kabata kero tumia?
It shouldn't cost more than 500,000 because obwate committee members 11. Okay? Let's assume 11 or 10. Bantaba 10 bakaikaransa mara 20 omwaka. Kwa hivyo? Naande kere sitting be committee allowance ya 3,000. 3,000 times watu 10 ni 30,000. Times chi sitting 20 is 600,000. Asikirende chi allowance chiko ba millions of money.
Monto na bara agiunga tali 3,000 wata gere konyo.
Onirenga ba enda konyo for doing nothing.
What do you mean for doing nothing?
Nkiba koleto.
See they sit and agree na bawo chiko disperse bursaries so chia sawa na
funds. Meto bantu mbatike konyo gukora chi meeting chi nyinge. Tiantu bakolega asierorekane. Chi meeting echi ne chokoli chi allowance. Bosa. Bono okay. Barachi karansire chi meeting echi. Ase keki na kerema tutu police station kyo mwana bwe CDF chairman ya rekoni chi bursary. Why?
Echi kona no chia sawa na funds. Akoni at what price?
Bursary ya 5,000 akoni elibu.
So that means isoko yenyora is 4,000 shillings.
Around chi form mi 1,000.
That's a lot of money.
Oh no. Why? Ngayachi ruseti kwanza. Yemineti ngaye tukuruka. Aenda oneli abantu. Umetubo kurumia utokanete. Lakini umetekero wakunire basari. Wakunire omonto motakapi. Because bantu batenengu they can afford school fees yo mwana. Lakini omonto motakaga mwenye hana mbele wala nyuma. Omenyete nyomba ya maomo. Okonya kurwanirira mwana nga nera begento mambiacha komokonya mobisi oborangeti. Ebeseri kwa ko mwabune basari kwa mongaina nga kwa moire. Ocha se notice board. Orore lietari aliri kirenga onyorire basari. Omanya kwende skuru onyora besa nchiyo. Kweli? Wenda baki skuru onyanga besa nchicheti omo baso moirani. Abo tumire fair ya 400 goche CDF office koline pigbi na koline matatu onye gosenkia banyorupaka nyansiongo. Nande 400 koirane inelibu. Nande chiribu ibere ko ende sukuru onyo mwana okale gosomoserongo na koirana surely. Ole kwa hiyo basi 5,000 already 3,000 ya chira sefe na ande tanyore tiganga ine tu ase listinga onyolire. Bona sekioma why we paying ichi sitting allowance chomo committee member bakolega asibune. Why nkito waka na bantu sitting allowance baikaranse ko bangabona bako goletangi at 500,000. Etangi amache ndaso ya adwe amano eninjo manyene nyegole na 35,000. Ya 5,000 liters. Ngakia bantu bako tumia milioni 6,492,000 6 million. Ngakobeka obotangi bwa amache nugo simeke mete chiskuru. Koko anda chiskuru kwanya metete yo. Koko boyo principal nga yemeterere nde asimeke tuna 6 million nga chimboli chialiete. Chimboli chikalie mete. Chikalie mete ya 6 million. Numete ya 6.
Mheshimiwa watute igoro ye.
Oh my goodness.
Watute igoro ya classrooms, watute igoro ye mete, watute igoro ye basari watebire. Nechibese ichanya kuba chiko
necho ya kenyoro SDA na gotewe tiba tumiete 1.8 million kwa gache cho kero mogusi na gache techo 1.8 million ne nyomba okwa gache bungalow 3 bedroom oko lepi
ebe complete
1.8 million monge boniga tajengea watu manyumba washangae bona ati hiyo nimejenga choo ya shule obokora borabu TTC abeta allocated 39 million kero mwaka bako release chi million last year ba release 10 million ochi asebora bu TTC college yoko somyo bwalimu oendali tuition block ba kwa gachanda 39 million chichuma chikolete iga no njo chiko kumeti buno kurukuruge ita chikolige tikotanga oi ule mtu wa mafaili amekuja tena you know yango tebi kero nyasa ira abantu li bagali okogamba gambera abantu buye bukwego tebanga when the righteous are in power the people rejoice. Already omojumbe ngo akanwale million ye momo shahara bwoko bomojumbe. Ingi ba okorero bokurumi bwa CDF. Omojumbe yo gwakanu 1 million kero motienyi. Mogusi ita iyo evota yayo gwakanu 1 million. He is the highest paid employee in the constituency. Agwakanwe milioni yemo keromo tienyi. Naomi akolie milioni yemo moshahara keromo tienyi yobo jumbe. Atanya kwenda bunge. Ya. Onye kora bomo gusio gotegerere tegaiga. Ntebi gose ngwaro je Naomi ekere finance bill ya. You know, we begin with examples. E budget ya etete juzi. E budget ase mipango yote ya serikali ekobekwa ase budget. And this is why nkotebi Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Chora baraia baya batari gochi gokorobo tirigoyu nande bakwenda parliament gokore gasi yabo.
Oshimwa, tell me something. Singe njitoro chembora na beratu.
Yes.
Abantu abange bako nguchoro by day about something we had in Toramanya usine kena about karabao kana ngato mention ile three mojumbe ande wose watigere ko acting. But most of the big question oneka to abeka some of the clips online bagatanga. Now what is the solution? Because go kwarore kanira sana kwa watanga abarai bako mekia bantu abataka egere baba tumeka bobe. They make them poor, then they use them. What is the solution, especially as a bunge yao before otarabe elected? Is wewe kumulekera liao kole kana maovu ase constituency, and you said it is a representation each constituency chinde ime ya Kenya. Gochire gokonya?
Yeah, it will help. Gochire gokonya sana singencho bono uwajibikaji achakire kobo. Muna bono na mention ye company ile ku Blue Tosha Limited.
Yes.
Ase omo director CDF chairman Dennis Rosana, ne secretary Teresa Mateni bali chi director. Nande nkaena ne list ye chibesa buna ba etwe na chaka no mwa matengo takanaenda ngora nande mbase kwa abantu information ye nyinge limo ego chiko batantani nkalike list ye chibesa buna ba ale gwakanwa na CDF nkalike chyo mwaka 2023 ngatebya bakenya nga tarehe 26 mwezi wa 10 mwaka 2023 e company ekoro ku Blue Tosha Limited eyuere yomo CDF chairman yoborabu nomo secretary yoborabu na buchi director chi company eyu ebe yakanete chibesa kurwase kwerende kurwase account ya CDF chibesa chaba Kenya chwendo kola abakenya gasi bakeyaka na 1,156,539 shillings siku ya 25th October 2023 bageyaka na 1,156,539 litukolia 7th August 2023 bageyaka na 1,697,109 lituke elio marogoba yae 7th August bado 2023 bageyaka na 1,704,300 shillings. 10th July 2023 bageyaka na 985,000. 19th June 2023 bageyaka na 965,270. Eyen 2023 yoka nene company yemo chikampani chire nane imanya koboliga ni haki mtu akiwa CDF chairman na secretary aende aregister kampuni. Yeye ndiye anapeana kazi kwa makampuni watakao jenga mashule classroom na watakao supply vitu kuja kwa CDF. Anajipea tenda kampuni yake, alafu anaenda anajichekia ye mwenyewe kama imefanyika nero gwa approve gose tende yakole kana agu approve e company nero okomakelia e company gose yakole gas na ando manyagwe yakana e company elia hiyo ni haki kweli? Si haki kwa sababu mtu akiwekwa, sheria zetu za Kenya they are very clear. Ukiwekwa kwa nyadhifa ya kutumikia umma, public office.
Yes.
Tobone tiko kora biashara ne obisi elia. Muna bono mogaba nata register company nga nere nando kwagacha chipachi county okwe tenda buya oagacha ne company yae buya akana. It is illegal. Igaba nabantu babente ko ba ejera boni gas we speak. Incheninsi nyirenki yesisi yakora obuyana arenga no babwato obisi abosongo uchakira Monday na Tuesday ninche na barabu koma mpaka orobago.
Yes.
Elinemanya yes. For sure. Wose motete na abera abakurumi bono. Okay, abakeje tegabato amaoni. Niko tuabe abantu bayiba tuaba abera. Si watazoea. Yes. Umete na babantu banalire yo koruchinga kichi Kenyatta. Muntale go chonyoro bogambi. Okorobo kurumio iba Abantu batanga muasame wacha aende retire. Oenda. Oyosoma manyanga aba bora niende retire watanisamea. Oyo ndocha. Ono oibane nere oaberu. Ogenda. So watu wamezoea sasa abantu bagocha banyore chine chibesi cyabana inchi chibente ko barosi chipara chibente ko rosi skuru chibente ko abana chibasari basome banyare ko igora opportunities cyobogima bwa barusi obotaka echitokolia aye tigatu agache chinyomba kare ntogole chigali chinene toire chigali friend Mombasa umuntu kwanyoranga nabwato mukungu anyometa kinando oligiri chiro oligiri wanjiro nero koragera chibesi cia CDF bono kwanyora wanjiru no haratarerete gotio mubunge no kareke yagete poda karabetese katarerete gotio mubunge kama etenga CDF weye constituency ko yelino nyakole bi omanya gotakuna no akoli bogara uri ebese ito ya CDF igago ikyo mubunge igari ya service ya iPhone omwabu senda igo mate daddy buy me an iPhone ogolerwe iPhone ne chibese ito ya CDF
or latest version.
What the hell? Ogolerwe iPhone. Bantu borabu gabu. No tole chiombe chiko ibu every day. Intu togote unga mini mwanunulia tochi na gambut. Kimbisa mwisi muone kama mutamushika. Muminyo gingo. This can't be.
Let me ask you
no morai.
Yes.
If the people of Borabu give me an opportunity to be their member of parliament.
Yes.
I can assure them 100%. Siwezi fanya mchezo kama hii.
Kuna mtu amefail kwa apart from umo jumbe toro chero fail according to you and the rest of the constituents
completely
omo ntonaro ro fail tia sogo tukana ko ire getambokero.
Yes. EACC, Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission. We pay them billions kero moaka kokora investigation ekero baigwete nga morara oroche TV kintarachi.
Of course.
Ngacheta ya TV.
Yes.
Ngaenda Getembe TV.
Yes.
Nkagenda pako na chire chi TV chons chi radio.
Yes.
Ngakintararangeliwa. Ngakingi EACC mbona sina barua inaniita kwa EACC nasema Morara tumeona kwa TV ukizungumzia mambo yo boibi bwa CDF bwa Borabu. Tunaomba tafadhali Monday ochene file yao.
We check again.
Asengencho nabuba bwate chinguru chie serikali. Omete barabu na baba bakole bintu ntanyale gokora. Kwa mfano, barabu na baba gosoe account. Equity branch keroka. Baigore account ya CDF. Baba tebinga sisi ni maafisa kutoka EACC tupatie statement ya account. Baligeringa kichibe sigo tumeko. They can do more than I can do because baba chinguru chie serikali na ande baire iyo chinguru echine sheria. In fact, inche nabongo kuwa ne radio ne TV kuruma mpaka Marogoba. Lakini inche tinko nyako irage tambo kiro because tinda egunguru echu kisheria. Ni mbomo chumbe. Abantu babaro na banchoras the MP. Bado tali njengo chikobwata. Abantu ba koleto bokurun.
Yes.
EACC benta ko kolega asi. So they are sleeping. Ebaraire tigato batulae. Tigabaturua.
Mheshimiwa natebete naro chalia some mtandao allegations or rumors that tutagaire bono to you are not allowed to mention your area MP's name while you are doing whatever that you are doing. First of all, what could be your reaction? How true is that? What could be your reaction to that, and what do you expect going forward? Asing nchondo chenge wende.
Omujumbo Borabu na ireteki na ase magistrate court ya Keroka. Abu ase omojaji anyarete ko moe order ase kina gekoro kunga Patrick Osero versus Morara Kebaso 2026. Igacheta gansoera ase koti nganko mokwana bobe. Ekoti ekamoe order ngatimba isa ko mokwana ndons. Na ande timba se ko kwana project ende onsi ya CDF nganga kichibe situmekire mpaka ekina keli kyanyare ko igwekana. Igenteke tangani aba wakili bane na kwani nabo na batebiri baende babeke appeal to the high court asingencho omojaji o timaiti kerokene ngikiabete timaiti ngakiamosimaire omojaji agacha koena ne order eco limit a constitutional right imbwate because a right and freedom to expression era as a constitution ego kobo sibole bogo kwana freely ko inchatora mo monto na ande to tebe gento kyo bolimo tinda morama tindateba gento kia bolimo byonsi ebingo kwana ebibwata masakara ataliane nachiete nkero serie cyber echine chi report chechi obis che serikali nkoenda nabatebinga nkonye copy mbalete te chi financial statement korborabu nga kibatumiete chibesa auditor general nkonye copy banga chi copy nara masakara mbwata isakara ndio liralire eliane form ye gotebanga ningo one tichi companies ye chingore director nini gotemo CDF chairman ne director Blutosha Limited talinje ne likerete cyber enachete pake obisi serikali ku registrar of companies squeeze ku business registration service Republic of Kenya ngabatebi nga form ekonga ownership ye company gete ereborabu constituency ase nchunabwa abaliki bechi company chon speak nyingima mbabwate form eyo bakayenga ige bintebi this is nothing but the truth na ntaringa ngokwane binto biane ebine binto bira sama saka omo Kenya bwekara agende chi obisi echo enyorere copy ya yeso merero monyene anyorenga kumbe I was speaking facts igobano timanye tinga kiasi maireretio abajaji ya omojaji oyo pako omojaji oyo agacha komoe ode yogokumya no naba wakili bakumeti Kenya ngima nganga kyo omojaji arabaskoena ne oda buneye atarandangeli ataranga ibagali oko ryogote kuyokorusha idi tinda ngeiri koti tinta ebiringa kuja na wakili wako kotini uyu oyogosoere tinda ngeiri elinengende nkwa nobo eno obwe koti.
So are you going to do
it? Guy to order direct. Yes, Torangeri court in the next, I think the month of August or end of July. Na leo mojaji atebete toko ende kina ngo chitole. Guess already to arangeli. Lakini tale komo ale kora torangelia atoiwe. Tomoe evidence to bwate amanya kurwe order go seningendere go tukachi project ya CDF go sengotiga. Lakini bona sinje gete ko mwana nento metinga kia moete sitalikiecho no tokale koti elinde bono tobolinga imekuwa namna gani. Tulifikiria kwamba tukikuja kotini tutapata justice ngakire tokale gocha koti twanyore bintu byogo kumiase aba Kenya bako ba limited gocha kobolia maswali omonto bachorete bagwaka no mushahara ne bango yabo elinanya ko bakorere gasi
kwanira ngo mugusini 1 minute no monto bwe bunge yabora bwo so mwakie kura as we wind up passing nchembura
abagusi bonspi momanyenge president yaito Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i na chama ni Jubilee Party. Usidanganywe na mtu, usipotezwe na mtu. Twensi tosoe maiga ya Dr. Fred Matiang'i tomo chinguru chiriaga netie inanya yo konya Kenya yaito nyare ko imoke economy ye igoro elinde ga kituti gukobe kwa sobo taka ngelinde twaserwa okonyora bangina baikaransirinsa sama tobe ngabaserwe no monto obayibeire gwetera sobo kurumi weka tokole siasa igoto support Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i ne kiama gya Jubilee nande ntebya abantu baito baborabu mojumbo ino momo manyete momoroche inwe ninu moko chora barai ninu moko bachingure ine banyara ko bakorere gasi mwarore gasi yane nane moendete koyerora kurubono totale sabali yemo tokore oboibi bwe chiombe tokonye ekilimo nobolemi bonyago twale faida abalemi baborabu banyako babatenengu nande totwachikirima richi amabere linde tunyare go twara amabere aito akoro kuborabu fresh totwale factory aito egosi obosi bokolie gusti supermarket Naivas Kerase na Quickmart na Kerase bokurukunga borabu tamu borweta sabalemi baito bali bakole mebitume me yaborabu ebitume byangire ko basinginjo baletere twe fertilizer ya lenge poisonous igo abantu baborabu nintu toranyale gokonyana inu mombo atesibuno morayo ino ine tunyale gokorega siamo.
Thank you so much. Mheshimiwa Murara Kebasa singincho konyora chingaki na kobwatia imeeta ya TV obora bwagusi kolende nyoranga ankyo kande karara begusi nto mwaligane ya studio yabetiri tokolega singincha mangana na mange lakini nimaetenga nateba Monday na bara around any other day abotokumurangire nyara ko bakawo kwana mona intura kino nyara ko bakawo toera briefly nyara ko bakawo kolekana na nchiri tokolera bwa singincho ebiro nabo ige weather chini onkoro kwa Eric Bosire. We will do a short version of the English or Swahili version of it. And then tunyara kaba togo share gocha sola se mitandao yonsi Yeta ya TV na boigo Eric Bosire Daktari on all other social media platforms. Kolenda sebono na akiringambia mana singe nchukwanyo rechinga kigo sangamo na intwe no Mheshimiwa Murara Kebasa.
Thank you. Biamano.